Is your YouTube restricted mode suddenly turned on and you can't turn it off? You click the toggle but nothing is happening, and YouTube says restricted mode is turned on by your network administrator. In this quick video, I will show you how to remove restricted mode on YouTube and get the toggle working again. Before proceeding, make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK, and let's get started. I am using the Google Chrome browser. So on the right top of your Google Chrome, click on these three dots and we want to navigate to Settings. In Settings menu on the left bar, click on Privacy and Security. Again, we want to go to Security. Scroll this screen little down, and this is all because of your select DNS provider. Here, we want to go ahead and select Google Public DNS. Once done, close your Google Chrome browser and then reopen it. Open up the YouTube again, and here we want to go to this profile icon and we want to turn off the restricted mode. You could see now we are able to turn on or off the restricted mode. So that's it about today's quick video. I hope you like this to the point and easy video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.